Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect Thrustmaster TMX Force with your PC. To do this, first we'll need to put our wheel like I have right here, and then we can find the power cable right here and the USB connection cable right here. There's also a plug for your pedals, so if you have them, then just grab the plug coming out from your pedals and connect it right here. It's not this one, actually, it's this one. So here we have it connected. Then we can connect our steering wheel to the power. Make sure it goes from this cable. Or actually from this cable instead, sorry, that was my mistake. And after that, we can connect our steering wheel using USB cable to the PC. So here it is connected, and that was also kind of stupid because the wheel will start spinning. So make sure to put it like it should be before connecting USB. Let me untangle this because there's one thing we need to cover. Okay, so now we have our wheel connected, and let's move on to our PC. Here, visit the TMX Force website, and then you'll be able to download newest firmware as well as the drivers if they don't update automatically. So right here in the support we can find the drivers as well as the firmware, and I'm gonna download the this firmware right here. Actually, it's not even firmware, nice. So the drivers, let's go with that instead. We can click on it to start downloading newest drivers. And if you see something like this, I would click no, because that means you have the newest drivers, and that is basically the whole setup done. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.